What up, guys? It's Rish again, back again with another video, another maintenance, another DIY, another problem to solve for the TSX. I'm doing my lower control arm for the driver's side. This time I'm like 90% sure this is what's been giving all my chatter and problems and shaking and all that fun stuff. I really hope so. That being said, got in the shop, about to take this wheel off and start the damn process of placing another thing on the TSX. Day in the life. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, comment, let me know what you think, whatever. Let me know. We're growing. 105. No, today was 106 videos posted. Upload a video today. It is March 7th, so go check it out.
Make sure it's in fucking place.
And your safety.
UV blast and everything. Very easy to take off. It's usually pretty easy. Alright.
If you guys want, you could use PV Blaster for rust and penetrating, make it easier to untighten things if they're pretty Loctite. Most of my things, they're not too tight, but I just haven't done a control arm on this side, so it might be a little bit. Not gonna really use too many power tools for. Go grab the air gun though.
I don't think you need this.
No. Might want to put some PV Blaster on your elbows too, because you need to put some elbow grease in that bitch too. It's kind of a shitty angle, but if you're on a lift, it'll definitely be easier, because I'm sure you could get underneath with something else. Sucks doing this shit on the floor. Yeah. Ball joint castle goes on. Yeah, that shit's bad. Fork out. Spinning already. Get your vice grips. I need more of a consistent needle. Yeah, I'm gonna buy myself a good set of power tools because that shit helps tremendously. So I'm popping out the axle. I don't think you really have to. I need more flexibility and more room, so. Holy shit. So there, it's pretty beat. It's torn basically, all around. I got a Rock Auto one. I think it's a S called SKP or SCP. Yeah, it's SKP control arm on Rock Auto. Got it for almost 50 bucks. It was gonna get moved, but that was like 80 bucks, and I ain't rich like that just yet. I needed it, and I got it. About fucking time. Yeah, FedEx fucking sucks, man. that new one. Oh, ow, it hurt my so bad. I fucking smacked my shin. It's indent now. Yeah, just like that, folks. Identical. That's the real bad one. Other ones have some cracks in it, but it's like I can't do it just a little flathead. It's more obviously when all that loads on it on the ground driving. It's time to put shit back together in reverse. So we're gonna fit this So I'm gonna fit this control arm in, shimmy its way in, then put all the bolts in so it's all fitted, then just tighten everything up. See how easy this could go. Alright guys, so we got the lower control arm fitted, finally. It was a little bit of struggle, at least aligning the back one near the axle. I don't know, you can't really see it there, so you just gotta finger bang it until you feel like there, and then you gotta keep hitting, banging up and down.
So it's lined up.
Yeah, so that's in. Just tighten this shit up. I don't have a torque wrench for now, and I'm just gonna put a couple ooga-doogas in this bitch. You see, I'm putting on my wheel. We got it done, guys. We got it done. It wasn't too hard of a job. I'm really hoping it's fixed my issue with like the whole knocking and shaking. Yeah, that's basically it. I didn't do a full-on DIY, but hopefully in the video you guys kind of get the concept. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. We're growing. We just hit 750 subs March 7th, man. Maybe in 2 months we could probably hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll give it 2 months, but yeah, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and you'll see all these videos we posting literally 2 to 3 times a week. We got another 3 lined up, and there's gonna be another one, especially with all these car shows happening. Just trying to get the car running nice so I could drive these shows and work, because I'm start driving 40 minutes away. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support and growth, and just, you know, join the Rish fam. We really out here. I'm about to beat the camera guy up.
Girl.
Guy.
Girl. Boop.